So guys, today I'm going to be telling you how to use ChatGPT to get more views, more subscribers on your YouTube channel. Yes, if you're a new YouTuber, you need to watch this video to the end. And if you're not a new YouTuber, so you can learn one or two things from this video I'm going to be telling you. I'm going to be taking you to my studio of how I use ChatGPT to get views, title, to get description, keywords, and everything. Just ChatGPT alone. I'm going to be teaching you. So if you're a newcomer on this YouTube space, you need to watch this video because it's going to shaping you to your next level. Yes, trust me. Without wasting much of your time, it is what you want to be seeing often. Of course, click on the subscribe button so you will get notification when my video pops up. So let's dive into it. So let's go to my YouTube studio. We are going to go to ChatGPT. So if you don't have ChatGPT on your phone, you go to Play Store or Apple Store to download ChatGPT. So now we are going to open ChatGPT. Let's just open a fresh one so we could start from it. So we just create chat. So now I want you to see how I'm going to tell ChatGPT of how I want to go about it now. So I want to introduce myself. I want to tell you that I'm now into YouTube content creation, and I'm talking about YouTube growth, how to get 1,000 subscribers, how to get 4,000 watch hour, anything about the YouTube educational niche. That is what I am doing, and I want you to help me so that I'll be among the top 10 search YouTube creator on this educational growth. And I want you to generate 30 topics that is viral, that is trending, that is searchable, so that I'll be talking about it for the next 30 days, so that I'll put myself into it. So that is why I'm doing all this introduction about myself. So I want you to give me 30 topics from it. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to give to us now. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to give to us. It's now giving us, okay. So it's saying this is actually a smart move. The YouTube growth niche is a evergreen because new creators are joining every day, and existing creators are constantly looking for ways to get more views, subscribers, and watch hour. So now I did 30 YouTube growth topic for the next 30 days. Week 1 for beginner problem, why most new YouTube channel fails in the first 90 days. How to get, so you're going to pick, you see what he has given. Week 2, how to get 1,000 subscribers. You see how ChatGPT has helped you channel your work to something very easy for you to talk about. So it's not something that you're going to get now. If you are consistent in this for 30 days, putting it, definitely you start getting views, subscribers, and watch time hours. So now that he has given us this, so we're going to pick. Week 2, he has given us this. Week 3, how to find viral videos idea every day. Then then topic with the highest search potential. So now look at what he has given us. Topic with the highest search potential. That's why I told you that you have to be specific. He's saying how to get 1,000 subscribers fast, how to get 4,000. These are the things people are asking. Even you that you are a new or you are old, this is what you are always asking for. Why your video are not getting viewed, how to find profitable YouTube. See what the ChatGPT has given to us. Extra strategy for every long YouTube video, create 3 short from it. Now it's telling you how to get that's why I said, see, if you don't know how to use ChatGPT, you'll be stuck in whatever you are doing. Now with these things that I've said, he has broken it down because you have done introduction. Introduction is very key. You can't just tell ChatGPT, I want you to give me this. It will not know what you are saying. You have to introduce yourself to ChatGPT before ChatGPT will not know what you are talking about. Now with that little introduction that we have done, look at how he has itemized everything for us. Imagine now that I want to use all these things for the next 30 days or for the next 2 months. Tell me how I will not make it on this YouTube channel. I told him I want to be among the top 10 that they will be searching for me, and he's giving me all those. He's telling you now, out of that your long form video, create 3 short from me. Turn 1 key point into a Facebook post, turn 1 key point into a TikTok vote, turn 1 this, and tell them to go to your YouTube channel to go and watch it, and like that from your Instagram reels and everything. That means one topic can give you content for 4 to 5 platforms. So look at it. So your goal is to become on the top YouTube growth creator. The next step is to build content calendar. So you see, because I want to become the top, so he's giving me. So if you don't say you want to become the top, you want to have viral, you want him to give you viral and searchable topic, ChatGPT go just look you. ChatGPT is garbage in, garbage out. Whatever you give ChatGPT is what is going to tell you. I always tell people this. Now that ChatGPT has given us all these things that we need, now I want to tell ChatGPT now that I'm going to pick a topic. Listen to me now. So now ChatGPT has given us all this. Now listen to the second step I'm going to do now. I'm going to pick a topic on one of those topics that he has given to me, and I'm going to emphasize on the one that he gave me that has the highest search strategy that I'm going to pick from. So now I'm going to now tell ChatGPT to create a content for me. So to create it that I want to talk about it, to give me the hook. So listen now. So where we are going to go now, I'm going to go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT that I want to how to get 4,000 watch hour. So I want to tell ChatGPT to say. So since you have picked the highest search potential for me, I will go to number 2, how to get 4,000 watch hour. I want you to give me a title, a hook, a keyword description that I'm going to use for my content, how I'm going to talk about it in my video. I want a ready-made viral hook searchable content that will make me be at the top search of when they are looking for 4,000 watch hour. So now let's see how ChatGPT is going to do now. Since I've told ChatGPT, listen to what I am telling, because now let's see what ChatGPT is going to give now. For a topic like how to get 4,000 watch hour, you need to balance 2 things: searchability, YouTube SEO, retention, and everything. Many creators rank for keywords but lose views in the next 30 seconds. So now what is telling me that my 30 see you will not understand. 30 seconds now, that means I need to be very good on my first 1 to 30 seconds. That is retention. It's very powerful. So video title now, how to get 4,000 watch hour on YouTube fast, 2026 guide. See the topic, he gave me like 5 topics that I'm going to pick from. So that is just it. Now viral hook, if you are stuck, so this is what I'm going to say now in the next 15 seconds. You see it now. Viral hook, if you are stuck in a 200, 500 or even 1,000 watch hour, stop wasting your time posting random video. In this video I'm going to be showing you exact, so people that are stuck in 200, 500, 1,000 and watch, that they are stuck in that watch hour, they want to listen. How would they get their 4,000 faster? See the hook in 15 seconds. Stronger curiosity hook. What if I told you that most creators are chasing subscriber when their real problem is watch hour, and you say, me, I have 2,000 subscriber, my watch hour is like 500. You want to listen. Are you getting it? Video structure, but understand what watch hour really means. Tell viewers YouTube does not care about how many videos you upload, it cares about how long people stay to watch it. People don't know. Some people say I did 30 minutes video, but that 30 minutes video from 1 second to the 30 second, how is it? So when you have 30-minute video and people cannot stay to 5 minutes and 5 seconds, how will YouTube push that video? So example like that. This is what is telling me about it. Now point, make longer valuable explain. 8 to 5 minute video works well. So at least if I'm making a video, I should make sure I stay in between 8 to 15 minutes. Then point 4, create video series. Part 1, get 1,000 subscribers. Part 2, get whatever, and then tell your viewer when someone finish one video and watches another, your watch hour increase rapidly. Improve on this. So now this is what I'm even going to do in my next video that I'm going to talk about. So he has given me everything concerning my video of 4,000 watch hour, which I'm going to talk about. So it's not left for me to do my work now. It's not left for me to sit down and talk about it, as ChatGPT have said, and input my own knowledge too, my gesture, my facial expression and everything continuously. If I do this one, it did not pick up, I do another one again for the next 30 days, definitely to pick up. Then end with this CTA. Don't focus only on uploading more videos, focus on making videos for people actually for. See description now that he has given to me, watch tags, everything, watch hour. This is ready for my video now that I'm going to use. Do you understand? Now the third step now that you're going to now tell ChatGPT now is now your thumbnail. I tell people that ChatGPT is my start to the end most time, like 95%. So if you don't know how to use it, that is where the problem lies. Now I'm going to now say So now I said one extra tip, sorry for cutting, one extra tip because your channel is new, make your thumbnail text very simple. 4,000. So he has given you how your thumbnail is going to look like and everything. So now the third step I'm going to tell ChatGPT now. Listen to the third step, how I'm going to tell ChatGPT. Thank you for giving me this wonderful video content or tips for my next upload. I really appreciate it. Now that you have given it to me, you know, thumbnail is very important. Without the thumbnail, a lot of people may not be able to click. So with all this thing that you have given to me, if my thumbnail is not among the top 3, it will flop. So I want you to give me a trending thumbnail of the watch hour that is about top or 5 creators that have talked about it, to replicate it to this my own thumbnail that you want to give to me, so that I will be among those that will be searchable. So now what I am doing, that's why I love what I'm doing, is that if so, the second thing you can do, you can screenshot somebody's thumbnail and send it to ChatGPT, or you tell ChatGPT to create a thumbnail for you, and you can send a picture to ChatGPT. Most of the time I can send my face picture, or sometimes ChatGPT already have my picture, it can do something for me. So that is it. So you are thinking about this the right way. So this is it. So now he has given me this. Then what I will not tell, I will not say generate the thumbnail for me. Generate the thumbnail for me. So let's see what it's going to generate now for it. So now if ChatGPT has generated your thumbnail, has given you your title, I've given you your everything that you want, what is now left for you is now for you. The only thing now that you want to do is to bring it to life, and you want to flop at it. How? That is how you can get your watch hour, your views, your subscribers with this. So ChatGPT is the only thing, is how to know how to use it well. That is just it, and that is it. If you know that you find this very helpful, subscribe to my channel for more. So now this is it. This is the face that my ChatGPT gave to me now. 4,000 watch hour fast using this. But I want to tell ChatGPT to give me a fine face. This is the face that I used for one of my photo shoots that you said. Okay, so now let me tell ChatGPT. So, but if you know you don't want to use ChatGPT to create your thumbnail, you can use Canvas or any other app that can generate you. But me, I'm just telling you that most time I use ChatGPT from start to finish. It's just a way to know how to garbage in, garbage out. See you in my next video. Bye. Now that you have seen how to create a viral video, try this method for 30 days and see if your channel does not turn around. I remain Vibe with Deborah. See you in my next video. Bye.